Imagine waking up to see sale notification emails on your phone for a product you created once, months ago. That is the power of passive income through digital products. In a world where everyone is looking for convenience, selling digital solutions is the fastest way to achieve financial freedom. Today, we are breaking down how you can start your digital empire from scratch with zero shipping costs and 100% profit margins. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a digital product? It's anything you can sell online that doesn't have a physical form. Think of ebooks, Canva templates, digital planners, or even specialized spreadsheets for budgeting. Unlike physical items, you create them once and sell them an infinite number of times. No warehouses, no shipping delays. Just pure profit delivered instantly to your customer's inbox. The secret to success in 2026 is solving a specific problem. Don't just make a planner, make a social media content planner for small business owners or a vegan meal prep guide for busy moms. In the US market, people pay for speed and ease. Look for gaps in marketplaces like Etsy or Creative Market. Find out what people are searching for but can't find, and then fill that gap with your digital solution. You don't need to be a tech genius to create these. Tools like Canva make graphic design easy for everyone. If you're good at organization, use Google Sheets or Notion to build templates. Once your product is ready, you need a storefront. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify allow you to set up your shop in minutes and handle all the payments automatically. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it business model. The magic happens when you show your product in action. Use Pinterest and TikTok to showcase how your digital product solves a problem. Focus on the transformation. At Zen Wealth Lab, we believe in working smarter, not harder. Digital products are the ultimate smart work. If you're ready to start your passive income journey, hit that subscribe button and check out the links below. Your future self will thank you.